In this video, I show you how to fix email connecting problem, email waiting for connection problem. For fixing this problem, go to your Play Store, search WiFi, tap on it. Now tap on it, install. Wait for completing the install process. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for emo. Tap on emo. Tap on force stop OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open and install on VPN app. Next, accept. Install VPN profile OK. Allow notification. Tap for here connect. Now open email app. You can see that there is no connection option, no connecting option. Now I hope that this method fixes your connecting problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.